Hello students, welcome to Surface classes. Let's discuss a problem regarding tangent, parabola, hyperbola and ellipse and circle. Basically coordinate geometry. So the question is x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 is a common tangent to y square is equal to 4x. And x square by 4, y square by b square is equal to 1. Then the value of b and the other common tangent are given by, see, this is a common tangent to both this parabola and this ellipse. Okay, now the value of b and the other common tangent are given by what? What is the value of b in numerical value and the equation of the other common tangent? Let's start. Since x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, or y is equal to x by 2 plus 2, condition of tangency is will be your c square. So we have the condition of tangency. First of all, anybody who wants to solve this problem must know the condition of tangency. And the condition of tangency is c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Therefore 4 is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 so therefore b is equal to, if you solve this, b, you will get b is equal to root 3. Now you got the value of b. Now go ahead. Now common tangent meet at on x axis at a point according to symmetry other common tangent. See, there is another common tangent. So other common tangent meet y axis at 0, minus 2. Therefore equation of other common tangent will be we found the intercept, right? We can go ahead. Equation of other, therefore you find the intercept. Equation of other common tangent will be x by minus 4 plus y by minus 2 is equal to 1, or x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. So that's your answer. That's the equation of other common tangent, and value of b is root 3. So you can write that the value of b is root 3 and equation of other common tangent is x plus y plus 4 is equal to 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is your correct option, and your correct option, let's see what it is written in the option. B is equal to root 3 and x plus 2y plus 4. So x plus 2y plus 4 and b is equal to root 3. So that's your option A. So that's your option. Thank you students for watching the video.